Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can monetize Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, log in using your account, and then you will be redirected to the timeline of your account. Simply head over to the profile page of your account by tapping on profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the hamburger menu at top right corner, select Settings and access Business Tools. Inside it, scroll down to the bottom and select Monetization Status. Basically, there are 3 requirements you need to fulfill in order to monetize your account, like Partner Policy. It states that you need to reside in eligible country, follow community guidelines, develop established presence, and things like that. So you need to follow them, and that's it. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.